everyone, welcome back to another very important session of Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and we were doing GATE English paper from IIT Guwahati 2026 paper, and we have done quite a number of questions. This is another one. We are stuck at this question. See, so I always tell you that you need to focus. I go for basically deep. My method of teaching is that I go deep down. I go deep for in-depth study, low down rather I can say, in-depth analysis, so that you do not miss out any points. That's why I say you that you should always check your level of preparation by attending the mock test series. Attend the mock test series, you will understand how much you have prepared, what are the questions you are missing out, or the pointers you are missing out, and what is the exact marks you can pull up at a go. So that will give you a reality check, because understanding this is very important. That's why I ask children to join our mock test series. Otherwise, you can also ask for study materials and doubt clearing sessions. These kind of classes are always available. You can call us at 9062395123 number, and we have got our dedicated teams, teachers, educators, and student counselor will help you out. Hope you are watching our videos and you are learning from it. Okay, now let's move on to this question. This is a direct one. Which of the following Caribbean authors won the Nobel Prize for Literature? Derek Walcott, V.S. Napoli, Wilson Harris, George Lamming. Easy short question. Yes. First option is Derek Walcott, Nobel Prize for Literature from Caribbean. He did won a Nobel Prize and he won it in 1992. He was from St. Lucia, a place in Caribbean, and his famous work was Omeros. Basically, Walcott brought the Caribbean into epic poetry. Okay. Clear? Next is V.S. Naipaul or Nepal, whatever. Again, it's correct in 2001, and he is from Trinidad. अरे यार क्या हो रहा है? And Indian diaspora background, yes. So Naipaul writes the post-colonial world with sharp realism. Okay, let me give it over here. So V.S. Naipaul writes about post-colonial world. Okay. Wilson Harris, no, wrong. Wilson Harris, important Caribbean writer, that is from Guyana, but no Nobel Prize yet. Okay, from Guyana. But no Nobel Prize. George Lamming, again no. Major Caribbean novelist from Barbados, but no Nobel Prize. So from Barbados. And again no Nobel Prize. Clear? Now Caribbean Nobel, just remember W and N, that is Walcott 1992 and somebody, and N Naipaul from 2001. That's it, and nothing more than two giant carried the Caribbean to the Nobel stage. These are the people. Okay. So now let's both writers deal with what? First, we have got to know that V.S. Naipaul wrote about post-colonial, but they have got some common topic to talk about or write about. Both writers deal with both, they talk about colonial history, identity crisis, and post colonial society. Clear? So their writing is where empire meets memory. Okay. Now there's nothing more to explain over here. This is just a name based question, who were the one, and we have given it to you. And even if you fail, I don't think you can face any kind of doubt over here. So this type of questions generally we see in UGC NET, and this type of questions comes in UG PG, CUET UG paper, CUET PG paper. And please share it with your friends who are appearing for other examinations at the same time, sitting for GATE also. So it will be very helpful. Okay, let's end this video. See you in my next class. Take care. Bye bye.